颗心不定，微微改掉烟的从肺里来内股劲，辛苦你求神拜佛，只为改我的运。请你相信你的孩子是有好的命运，我会努力拼，拼拼拼，你的养老金，亲亲亲，焕然一新，ring ring，给你妈妈说，ring ring yeah， 跟你妈妈说，跟你妈妈说，不要担心我，不要担心我，跟你妈妈说，跟你妈妈说，我有在工作，我有在工作，陪你妈妈说，陪你妈妈说。今年没喝酒，够了啦，已经当爸爸耶耶耶，孙子都几岁？
Over 70% of their diet is like
berries and stuff, right? Yeah. Wow.
I wonder what they grow. See the furthest creek? It's like the half point.
Down that, get down here. All right, back on the rocks. Oh, slippery. Perfect. Look at that. It's fully clear. Wait, what was that?
You cannot see the screen.
Yeah.
The stream was dry.
But then there's a big pond.
Yeah.
Wow. I would say this is actually the craziest adventure I've ever been on my whole life. Like, no joke. Never gone on a hike like this. There it is. Oh, it just took off. We just found an epic landslide. We're literally walking through the water to get to these drone spots. Like, this is intense. All right, we found some shade. Time to set up camp. You see where we're walking right now? Insane. Have to cross like 2 rivers to get to this spot. How do you feel about this water, bro?
Feels refreshing. Like it's cleaning my soul.
Two, one, action! Oh, so nice. Okay, how do you get over there? You gotta swim over and then climb up?
Well, it's a bit hard to climb. You can just walk.
Oh, it's really
Slippery.
Oh.